Shalom, shalom. It's your brother WasilkamilBey, and we are Sham Stoppers. I know it's been like four days since I did the video. Title of this video is called "An Overseer is a Supervisor." An overseer is a supervisor, but first, you already know what time it is. We reserve our United States constitutional rights, freedom of speech, and everything that rides with it. And the disclaimer, if you don't want our services, go read a book. Off the gate, go read a book. Everybody else ain't gonna tell you that because they don't read books. You know what I mean? I don't pay child support on God. I ain't on child support. We got a lot of guys that don't pay child support over here. You know what I mean? That got off of child support. But we're going to talk about overseer is a supervisor. And we've been telling you guys for so long, since we've been on YouTube, to go get you a business, start you a business. Start you a business. Okay, Sham Stoppers was made out of nothing. You know what I mean? We're a business. Okay. And let me put some up for y'all. Let me play this little clip, which y'all don't know about this movie.
That was weird. A black man with a pizza shop. Now there isn't a hungry soul in this town doesn't know my slogan. Just direct to your pizza to Daddy Green's Pizza. Watch yourself, son.
See that? Huh? You see that? Y'all ain't pay attention to this movie. His daddy was a business owner. And Leroy had his own dojo, and his master was telling him, which was his overseer, was telling him, hey man, I taught you everything that I know. It is only one place that you will know that you are a master. It's in your head. You know what I mean? Y'all remember this? Huh? You remember this book? Long time ago? The purpose. The life of a man upon this earth is warfare. The book of Job. Not Job for you dummies who can't read, because Job is spelled J-O-B-E like robe, R-O-B-E. Job. No, it's Job. Warfare. Wages. You know what I mean? We're gonna come from the book of Job. And I'm finna get down. Job pleads with God. Is there not a time of hard service for a man on earth? Are not his days also like the days of a hired man, like a servant who earnestly desires the shade? See that? And a hired man who eagerly looks for his wages. Every man is worthy of his wage. People. I done worked tax exempt status before at these jobs, and you can do it too. You know what I mean? You can do it, fellas. You can beat child support, fellas. You can get off of child support. If somebody trying to tell you different, you can. Alright? Let's go to the definition. A supervisor, a manager, director, foreman, official, officer. See that? See that? Supervise, to have general oversight, over, to inspect, direct, oversee. Look at that. guardianship. I'm finna show y'all something. Supervision. I'm finna show y'all something. You see that? Now, y'all remember this right here? You remember this sheet right here? This in the state of Texas. They got rid of this because of sham stoppers. You know that, right? Not because of nobody else. Look at that. Refusal of Title 4D child support services. Look at that. The Privacy Act. See that? Look at that. The person responsible for paying child support is... Look, why I got Social Security number on there? Because it's part of the Social Security. Social Security. See that? I do not want Title 4D child support services provided by the state or county Title 4D child support agency. I understand that my refusal of service at this time does not prevent me from applying for child support services at a later time. Right? Look at that. Who go write that signature? Who writes that shit? Huh? Who writes that shit? Do you or your baby mama? I'm just saying. That's all I'm just saying, man. I can't say no more. You know what I mean? And then you got the judges who signed off on the shit. You know what I mean? Let me put it up in your face again. Refusal of Title 4D child support services. Y'all wonder, how did I get this? Because I'm a G, that's why. You know what I mean? Your baby mama is an overseer of your children. And she can be fired at any time. Right? Huh? She can be fired at any time. Let's get in the Black Laws Dictionary. I like this little pocket thing, man. Look at that. One having authority over others. A manager or overseer. Under the National Labor Relations Act, a supervisor is any individual having authority to hire, transfer, suspend, lay off, recall, promote, discharge, discipline, handle grievances and other employees by exercising independent judgment. The chief administrative office of the town or county. You see that? What's up? Huh? Hold on, we finna get down to the nitty gritty. We finna go on custodian. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on. Here we go, baby. Alright. Custodian, baby. A person or institution that has charge or custody of a child, property, papers, or valuables, guardian. A pre-petition agent who has taken charge of any asset belonging to the debtor. This is what you gotta ask yourself. How can your baby mama be in custody of your child and she's going to go apply for services, right? And let me hit you with this. She's suing you and the child support agent suing you. Don't you know that's a class action lawsuit against you? Huh? Oh, y'all didn't do it. Y'all don't know. That's why y'all ass is on child support. That's why y'all paying this shit because they know y'all don't know shit. They know they can pull a whammy on you. You know what I mean? They know they overseeing over you. They know you guys are wards of the state. You know what I mean? Real talk. Hold on. We finna get down to the nitty gritty. We're gonna keep going. How can your baby mama, that's what you gotta ask yourself. Who is the creditor? Your baby mama can't be no creditor. I'm gonna leave that up to y'all. I'm gonna throw that in the air. Who is the creditor out of you, your baby mama, and the agency? Check this out. Ward, a person, a minor who is under a guardian's charge or protection. Look at that. Ward of the state, a person who is housed by and receives protection and necessities from the government. Huh? What's up? What's up with it? Huh? What's up with it? Huh? If your baby mama's a custodian, you can fire her. Right? That's just like a custodian at an office building who ain't cleaning up shit right. What happens? They get reported and they lose their job. Y'all ain't hearing me though. You ain't hearing me though. Award. You know what I mean? How hard is that for y'all? Real talk. Your baby mama's a ward, man. She went down here and put you on child support. Sham stoppers, we ain't put you on child support. We ain't had your baby. You know what I mean? So get that out your head, get that out your brain. Okay? Get that out your brain. Let me pull out some more books. Hold up, the custodian there. Let me pull out some more books. Hold up. Hold up. And then what's so cold about this book, you know what I mean? I got a banking book, right? The banking book, right? And look what it says, what a ward is. An incompetent person or a child whose affairs are put in the hands of a guardian appointed by a court. Your baby mama is a child. That's why they call it child support. You supporting that grown ass child. Her, she's the fucking child who acts as a fiduciary. The fiduciary, I mean. The state is the fiduciary for your baby mama. The child's guardian administers the child's estate on behalf of the child until the child reaches the age of adulthood. Right? Hold up. I'm not through yet. Hold up, man. Had to run to my bookshelf. You know what I mean? Wait a minute. Trying to find another custodian. But think about it, fellas. Your baby mama is incompetent. You know what I mean? She's incompetent. Look at that shit. Dictionary. Custodian. A bank or other financial institution that keeps custody of stock. So she's keeping the custody of your money. Right? Her and the agency. Her and the agency. Now tell me why they got the word custody in this business book. Shit, it ain't personal, fellas. It's just business. Right? When y'all gonna learn that? Huh? When you gonna learn that? I'll be waiting when y'all learn that shit. I will be waiting. Some of you gonna catch on. Some of you ain't gonna catch on. You know what I mean? Some of you gonna catch on. Some of you ain't gonna catch on. A person on who over whose property a guardian is appointed. A person whom law regards as capable of managing his or her own affairs. She can't manage her own affairs. Your baby mama cannot manage her own affairs because she go down there to that agency to make you pay for her affairs. So she can have an affair. And we all know an affair is a business arrangement. Because the only thing she want to have is legal title. Look at that. The term ward is also used to refer to one of the sections into which a town is divided for educational or electoral purposes. Right? That's why they have the electoral college, because people too stupid out here. Right? Put some on your mind tonight. Some of you can sleep on. Right? Hold on. Now, custody of children. Come on, man. Y'all tired of fighting? Huh? Huh? Y'all ain't tired of fighting? Ask yourself, man. Let me put this up for you. Let this ride right here. See that? We're gonna let this ride right here. Your baby mama's responsible And you are too for putting your dick in that nasty bitch. Alright? So y'all wanna fix this shit? Fuck with us. You know what I mean? If not, shit, keep it moving. Go read a book. Ain't no hard feelings. Ain't no hard feelings and emotions about that shit. Cause I'm gonna tell y'all, you being in your emotions ain't gonna get you nowhere. Peace.